What's up everyone? So today's lesson is a request from a student. He was watching one of my travel dance videos from my travel vlog and he noticed a certain move that he really liked, and today I'm going to break it down as well as add some variations. So I think this is a really good idea because sometimes when I'm teaching a dance move or a combo, it feels a bit restrictive. So you guys just point out something that you like, I'll take a look at it, and if I feel that there's something there, then I'll definitely make a dance lesson out of it. So today's move is just a pop-up move that I didn't think about too much of. Let's name it the Mario Hop so that it's easy for you guys to search up. And it just looks like this. But I'm going to add some nuances and give you some variations because there's a lot you can build off this move. So first thing you notice is that it just pops into a squat, and you better have your quads ready because you can only do so many of these before you start feeling the burn. I think the most important thing is to come into the dance move with a bounce. So the dance moves that you're doing before you come into the Mario Hop should be more dynamic. So let's say you're doing loose legs, it's not very dynamic and it doesn't mix in very well into the hop. Instead, if you did something like this little back step and you popped in, then you have that lead in bounce, which really helps you come in and build the momentum to pop up. So let's use that as an example for us to practice too. So I'm gonna come into the bounce just like with this kind of b-boy step, and I'm gonna switch feet and then come into the hop. Once again, you want to bounce in so you can pop back up easy. And that's really something that you can just practice to on the spot. So just do a little jump, bounce in, like that, and you can pop back up. So before we get into it even further, let me give you one more tip that will make it easier for you to bounce up. So once you see that I come into this squat, you might find it easier, though it probably doesn't look as dynamic, if you squat wider like this. I know it's kind of like a squat toilet position, but it's going to be slightly easier to come back up. Another thing too that will give you more leverage is to put your elbows over your knees like that. Then you can push off your knees to get that pop. Reviewing again, you're gonna bounce in and pop up using your elbows. So that whole combination gives you that momentum to keep doing it cyclically. Ba, boom, ba, 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 ba. So let's try it all together. We're gonna come into this back step, switch feet, and then bounce, come up. So let's do one like heel, and then popped in, one side heel, one side toe, one side heel, one side toe. On my count, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, pop, pop, pop. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and down, pop, pop, pop. Nice. One more time. Let's get that burn. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and down, pop, pop, pop. Nice. Now, if that variation of the Mario Hop is too hard for you and you're just feeling gassed out, here's a slightly easier variation and requires an intermediate step. Looks like this. And it's a cool variation because it creates a little bit of movement. So what I'm doing is I'm popping up, putting my weight onto the front heel like that, and then I'm stepping back like that. So pop, ba, ba. So the timing is down, ba, ba, down, ba, ba. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 9. Just like that. Let's try it with me. We're going to bounce and pop back up, which you actually can't do slow because you want that momentum. Weight in front, back, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, down. Ba, 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 ba. Nice. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, ba, 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 ba. Awesome. Now let's show it from behind because I know some of you follow it better this way. So we're going to do the whole thing. Back step down onto the heels and then one heel toe, one heel toe. And for this one, let's do it with the variation where we step out. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, pop, pop. Good. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and down, pop, pop, pop and step. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, pop, pop, down, pop, down. Awesome. So this Mario hop move, I consider it kind of like an accent move. I also like calling them flare moves, even though that's the name of a b-boy move. I think these accent moves are great because you just throw them in any time and you can mix and match them, you can combine them together. For example, I think turning is an accent move, so you can actually pop, turn. So there's a lot of things you can do in combination, and over time, as you dance more and more, it'll just merge into your freestyle dance. As for timing, it's not super important because you'll lose it a bit. The most important thing is to catch your timing after you're done the combo. And by catching your timing, I mean just go back into whatever basic move you're dancing to, something lighter, before you go in to your next accent move. Okay, so that's the Mario hop. Like I said, it transitions well from a dynamic dance move, and in particular, I think it transitions well doing shuffle dance. So I teach shuffle dance partly in my EDM dance programs, though I might create a separate shuffle dance program that's a little more intensive than usual. There's definitely more to the Mario hop, including exit variations from the ground. As well, because it's a one-off dance move, it's important to learn how to combo it and transition it with other dance moves to create a freestyle dance. So make sure you visit pickupdance.com for the full dance program, and don't forget to click like and subscribe because it really helps.